That's a great question. I would call the herringbone half double crochet a crochet stitch, and it's a variation of the half double crochet stitch. So first I'll show you a double crochet. So yarn over, go through your stitch, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. So I'll zoom in here so you can see it a little easier. So on your hook there's 3 loops. So now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's a double crochet. So I'll do it 2 more times. So we have 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and now 1 more yarn over, go through your next stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So there are 3 double crochets. A half double crochet will yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, and we yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's a half double crochet. So yarn over, go through your stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through all 3 loops on your hook, and there's your half double crochets. Now the variation half double crochet, we're just going to yarn over, go through our next stitch, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, and we put the first loop through the second loop, kind of like a slip stitch, and then now we yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. So let's do that again. Yarn over, go through our stitch, pull up a loop. Now we're just going to put the first loop through the second loop, and then we yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. One more time, yarn over, go through your next stitch, pull up a loop, almost do a slip stitch, first loop through the second loop, and then yarn over and go through the 2 loops. So here they all are side by side, so you can see all 3 of them. So right here we have our double crochets, and they are our tallest, these 3 here. And then we have our half double crochets, which is these 3. And then we have the variation, the herringbone half double crochet, which kind of has this bump out and creates the herringbone effect. And it's just a really fun variation of the stitch, which creates a different look, and I really liked using it with this yarn, making this purse. I will have a full tutorial coming out on how to do this exact purse, but I had to frog it because I forgot to record a part, and so that will be out soon. But like and follow for more, and happy crafting!